What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you for stopping by. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. As you can see by the title, I am making stewed jackfruit with butter bean. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have the jackfruit. I'm using the canned jackfruit. It says green jackfruit in brine. On the side to the left, it says vegan. I'll be using this with some butter bean. So yes guys, here are the other ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using tomato, bay leaf, bell pepper, cilantro, scallion, celery, ginger, garlic. I'll be using some salt, some sister dash, oregano, some dry thyme, and some brown sugar. So here I have the ginger right there, and the garlic and the onion. And right here I have some vegetable seasoning. So now that I cut the jackfruit can open, this is what the jackfruit looks like. So this is the green jackfruit. Yes. When I was young and living in Jamaica, we used to cook the jackfruit seed, and guys, that used to taste so good. I don't know if any one of you ever tried the jackfruit seed, but yes, I did, and jackfruit seed tastes good. Now I'm adding some oil to the pot. To that I'm adding the ginger, the garlic, and the onion. And I'm just stirring this up. Mix it in and stir it out. Yes, guys, I'm sauteing it down. So now I'm gonna add the jackfruit. So now I'm adding the jackfruit. Yes. And we're getting down into business. Adding the bay leaf, the tomato, the cilantro, the bell pepper. Stir and combine. Mix it all up. And now I'm adding my celery. So now the celery and the tomato is gonna spring its own liquid right there. Now I'm adding some dry thyme. Some oregano. Some of my sister dash, otherwise called Mrs. Dash. And all of these powder seasoning that I'm using here is ½ teaspoon. Now I'm adding some soy sauce. Just mixing this up. So this soy sauce is gonna give it a little color plus a little flavor. I'm adding some vegetable seasoning, and this is 1 tablespoon. And now I'm adding some brown sugar, a tablespoon of brown sugar. And I just add some plant-based butter. Now I'm adding the butter bean. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You should smell this in here. Yes. Yes, guys. There you have it. My stewed jackfruit is ready. And here I share out a plate. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.